Mel Gibson.
Be gentle with me, okay?
Goldie Hawn.
Get that gun out of my face.
Bird on a Wire. The new romantic action comedy from John Badham, director of Short Circuit and Stakeout. PBS TV calls Bird on a Wire a roller coaster of a movie with hot action and wild humor. This bird soars.
Get your foot off.
Cosmopolitan magazine says Mel and Goldie's teamwork sparkles with grace, wit, and the joy of sex. They've got more than enough chemistry to make this bird fly.
I haven't had a girlfriend in 5 years.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Wiggly's been on bread and water for 5 long years.
Audiences agree with the critics. Bird on a Wire has grossed over $68 million at the box office to date.